Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome to this new update on OPENCAMPUS and the EDU token. Had to make a quick video on that. I want to get this uploaded as soon as possible because we're going to be analyzing it on a 5-minute time frame. So probably like 2 hours after watching the video, it's already no longer relevant. But yeah, we'll do a quick recap of what I said yesterday around, well, when did I do the video? Around here, when we were at 1.25 or so. I made a video, we'll do a quick recap of that. And then I'll tell you what's happening. As you can see, there's a very clear trend in EDU right now, but we also, not too long ago, 45 minutes ago, we also had the first sign of a little bit of bearish pressure. So I'll also tell you about that, what that means, or at least what it could mean. So yeah, that's what we'll do. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me and join my profitable trading signal group, everything is transparent. All of the results you can actually check back. I believe in transparency, so I think that's key. But if you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Also, if you want to know what this project is about, it just launched with the Binance Launchpad. It's called OpenCampus. Just look up OpenCampus Crypto on YouTube and you'll find my video at the very top. There you'll find out more about what the project is and perhaps if it has any potential. I do think so. But now onto the technical. So what I said yesterday from 1.25 is, well, we reached 1.5 once. I think we'll get up there again, and I think we'll break above that. So that's what we did, which I'm actually a little surprised by because it's quite hard to analyze cryptos that have just come out. But I did say that, and the proof is in the video. So if you want to check that out, then check that out. But my main price target that I set in the video was 1.75 and 1.8. And that's not a level we reached. We reached 1.7 kind of, which is, by the way, the 1.618 of this fib. And the 1.618, I'll tell you right now, is one of the strongest Fibonacci levels. So if you're using fibs, please turn it on. It really is, in crypto, it's perhaps the strongest indicator, or at least the strongest Fibonacci level out there. So yeah, but we reached that, and from here you can actually see we got quite a lot of bearish momentum, even so far that we, well, arguably had 2 bearish breakouts through this 1.63 level and this level around 1.55. But we also found support at 1.5, a break retest, also with the 100 EMA on the 5-minute time frame at least. So now the big question is, I think, is can we get another bullish breakout? All right, we need to confirm now that we are still bullish instead of bearish, because you could argue that after these 2 bearish breakouts that we are bearish right now. I would say as long as we're above 1.5, we're still bullish, but all right. So what will happen is that we will retest this level between 1.55 and 1.58. If we can break above that, I think we're bullish. I think we're going up to 1.7 again. I think we're even going up to 1.75 and 1.8. So my price target of yesterday, 1.78 is a big psychological level, and 1.8, there was something with that, but I'm not sure anymore what that was. Perhaps also the 1.618, but I think 1.75 is my main price target. However, it is very important that we break above 1.58. That is the main variable, because I think we'll get up there, but if from there we will just drop back down to 1.5 and we cannot get that bullish breakout, we cannot show that we are bullish, what will happen then is we'll break down below 1.5. And if we break down below 1.5, we'll drop down all the way to 1.37. And I'm not sure if we will be able to break above 1.5 anytime soon again after that. So there's quite a lot at stake. So check out this graph, put in the same levels to actually follow it closely yourself. But for now, these are my thoughts on EDU. Long term, great project. Short term, not so sure. But that's my take on it. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.